Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this makeup. Boo. Okay, so today I'm going to be going for a blue butterfly type of look. I already told you guys I'm getting back into my artistic side. I just want to have fun with my videos. I just have this look that I want to do, and I'm trying to incorporate my YouTube into my IG, and sometimes when I talk I forget to shoot the still parts for Instagram. You get what I'm saying? So this just makes things a lot more easier. I'm still going to be voicing over. I'm still going to be chit-chatting with you guys, but for the filming part, for the most part, I am going to be silent. I'm just going to play the music and have a girl, this hair is laid. Look at this. And just have a good time with my videos. I hope you guys still enjoy this. Without further ado, boo, let's zoom in so we can get within, or let's get close, because we finna do the mouse. And we are back with another tutorial, and I'm gonna see if I can do this voiceover in one take. Okay, because you know what? Voicing over is not easy. Okay, so kudos to the girls who make videos like this 24/7, 365. Okay, you are the real MVP. Anyways, I'm doing my brows using the JUVIA'S Place products. Love these brow products. They make the brow look so soft and wispy, and yeah, I use both a combo. You see, already starting to mess up. Both a combo of the pencil and the pen. Here I'm going in with my concealer. You guys know that I love to use a concealer as my base. You don't need to go out and get eyeshadow bases. Trust me, I feel like it's all the same thing. Okay, listen to your girl. Okay, so today we're going for a butterfly type of eyeshadow, type of editorial type of look going on. Okay, and I really liked how this came out. So like I said, I'm getting back into my artsy side. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really want to have fun doing my makeup. You see what I'm saying? Like, makeup is just more than glamour. It's a way to express yourself, to have fun, to draw, to, you get artsy fartsy. Anyways, I'm going in with the NYX glitter glue, because if you want your shimmers to pop, this product is a must have. I have several of these in my arsenal, and I don't think I will ever live without this product, because it really takes shimmer eyeshadows to another level. Like, applying shimmer eyeshadows by themselves and then apply it with this, top tier. Okay, different things going on. Right here, I'm going with my glitter. I'm using the MEHRON mixing medium to make the glitter stick, because I don't want this all over my face. And I'm just tracing my butterfly. How pretty is that? And I'm applying my lashes. Okay, the eyes, super easy. It took time, but it's super easy. Okay, let's get into the face. I moisturize because, girl, we need to moisturize. Always using my Nivea cream, because this cream, I feel like when it comes to skincare, you really don't need to go out and get the real expensive stuff. Like, most of the time you're really just buying the name. There are tons of drugstore products that are just as great, really nice, and staples in a home. Basically, I've been on my concealer kick. I haven't been wearing foundation in a minute, so we're still going to stick with the concealers. And today I'm going to be using, you see, I'm already starting to mess up. Okay, but we're going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it real in this voiceover. Like, I'm not going to fake it. Okay, I'm using a mixture of the Too Faced concealers and HUDA Beauty. So first I'm going in with Too Faced Toffee, and this is my skin color, and I just placed it in the areas that I needed to go, and then I'm going to go ahead and buff it out, still not applying anything on my neck. And might I say, my neck is improving. I've really been catering to that area, really moisturizing, spot treating to get the marks to go away. So I've just been avoiding, putting a lot of foundation or anything or powder on that area, just leaving it as is. Okay, we're going to contour, because we got to chisel dizzle my nizzle. And I'm just going to, buff this in, blend this out. And when it comes to your cheek contour, you always want to brush up, not down, but pat it up. You want to lift the cheek. Okay, I'm gonna get the chin area just to taper that a little bit, make that look, whoopty whoop shibby boop boop boop. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this concealer, get this brightened area all sorted out. Okay, this Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous, what is it, Luminous Matte, the one in the tube, you saw it a while ago. Okay, it is so good, it is so nice, it is so creamy. and it just blends out effortlessly. And I found that, you know how I always like to go back in with like a double concealer to brighten some more? I feel like I didn't need to do that with this. Like, it's just really, really nice. The cheek products, you already know, girl. We ain't even gonna talk about it, girl. We use my code. Okay, we're not gonna talk about it. We're gonna let it go, and we're gonna let God. All right, if you don't know, you need to go ahead and get these cheek products from Juvia's Place. I promise you. Setting the face. Look at this face. This face is coming together like, okay, like feathers. Okay, it's soft. I was looking for a word, girl. Didn't find it, but we're gonna keep going. Okay, it is just so soft and pretty. These powders have not moved. I have not budged. Okay, and I have quite a few powders in my arsenal. Don't be sitting there thinking, oh, all she has is Huda Beauty. No, I got powders, girl. I got a lot of powders. I got Pat, I got Fenty, I got Laura Mercier, I got drugstore. But these Hudas, girl, I ain't even gonna say nothing no more. Okay, we gonna bronzify to catch Poppy eye, cause we still out here in these streets, summertime. You see what I'm saying? We trying to get him, okay? So we need to do whoop-de whoop, shippity boop boop boop. Bronzing just brings back that life to the face. You know what I'm saying? It takes away from that flatness, and it gives the skin like a sun-kissed type of glow. There is a difference between contouring and bronzing. Most of the time, I just bronze the outer side of my face. I kind of replace contouring with bronzing because I feel like that's all I need. I just need to bring back that sun-kissed type of vibe. But for the nose, we're gonna contour. Okay, we gonna give it a shape. We gonna chisel dizzle. You know what I'm saying? My nizzle, and we're gonna make the nose look really nice and cute. You guys know my tips and tricks, so yeah, that is what I like to do. And I'm using the Juvia's Place powders. I went back to using this just because, you know, I have it, so I'm going to use it, you know, but normally I would tend to just use my face powder because you really don't need anything else when it comes to contouring the nose. You want the nose area to be really nice and soft. These blushes, child, I cannot, all right, girl. Okay, this is the powder form to the liquid blushes that I just used, as you can tell, and it's super pretty. Going back to the eyes, these are the Melt Cosmetics eyeliner, Neptune, and what is it called? Gravity? I'm not sure. Check the description box. I'll have everything down there for you, okay? But I'm doing like a little halo type of thing on the lower lash line, like the outer inner dark blue and in the center silver. I thought it really went, you know, like it complemented the look. It brought it to life, basically. And now it's time for my mascara. First, I went in and primed my lower lash line to make it more thick when I apply my mascara. And now I'm just going in with my mascara. The mascara that I'm using is by Revlon. So, yeah. Whoop-de-whoop, shippity, boop, boop, boop. Now, let's get back to the lips. Look at the skin. It's skinning. For my lips, the Juvia's Place Kola lip liner. I love this lip liner. Like, it's just the bomb, okay? Like, it's just a really soft, pretty brown, and I have quite a number of liquid liners as well. And I'm not trying to toot their horn or anything. I know you guys hear me talk about this company all the time, but listen, these are just so creamy. They are so creamy and easy to transfer. Like, I feel like all my other lipsticks, I kind of have to get my lighter to activate it, like to warm it up so it can glide a little bit better. If you know, you know, girl, okay? Like, pencil lip liners tend to be a little bit more, you see what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm going for like a nudie type of soft orangey type of look. I felt like that would look really, really good with this look. Yeah, and that's it. Listen, if you ever want your lips to look flawless, go back in with a brush and just blend out those edges. Try it and thank me later, okay? Totally a game changer. Trust me. This is the look that I came up with. I love this. I think it's so pretty, so fun, so different. It's giving butterfly wings. That was the inspiration behind it. You know, just something a little bit more, what do you call it? Editorial? Is that what you want to call it? So yeah, listen, before we close out this video, let's go ahead and enjoy the modeling section.
Right now, tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody.
Yes, so I hope you guys truly enjoyed that and enjoyed this video. I really love how this came out. So yeah, listen, I'm not going to stay in here for too long. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below because I want to hear from you. Share the video because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves and I will see you guys really, really soon.